We can do it. Kids. Oh no. It's Mickey and Mouse. Wait a minute. Oh, it's her. It's Wonder Woman. Oh yeah. Oh, all right, we're gonna find us a saw. Somewhere back here. Saws. Back here. Not probably in the fishing sector. Just fingernail trimmers. Oh yeah, when I get done trimming your fingernails, they won't grow back very fast. Garden tools. We're off down there to get a saw. Gonna buy me a Fiskar saw. I'm gonna go cut some stuff off a tree. And you know what? I think I'll even cut the tree down. Yeah, well, if I can't find it here, I'm going to go to the tool section. Oh, long enough. Here, folks, we're talking hardware.
Quit messing around and go get your rope.
On this aisle, what in tarnation are we gonna have to do just to find a little bit of rope? As Ollie would say, we just need a little rope dope. Rope-a-dopa. All right, there's some rope-a-dopa. These are $10. I'm gonna buy one of those. They're usually $10 anyway. That's good enough. Now we go find a saw. Pretty sure there's no Fiskar saws here. And a hatchet.
Is it a Home Depot kind of thing?
Well, no, they gotta have it here. Walmart sells Fiskar's, products. I mean, otherwise you just use a hacksaw. But, well, not for what I'm gonna do. So let's go see if they have a Fiskar's tool. Oh. Down here once, we didn't find it. We walked down here, we didn't find it, and then we get told we got to walk back down there, and we're going to see if we can find it. What are we looking for? A Fiskar's saw. That's what we're looking for. Oh, here we go.
Don't be such a hoser.
Okay, a Fiskar saw. You push the button, you open it up. It's got a saw in there. It's a wood saw, and it's got a nice handle on it. So it'll close. You can take it hunting, hiking, camping, fishing with you. It's a really good deal for cutting firewood, for cutting limbs to build a shelter with. There's a lot of good uses for a saw. Don't kink the blade. It's pretty good. They're sharp. They're actually pretty tough and durable. It probably weighs about a pound, maybe. So anyway, I'm going to use this saw on the tree in the backyard of the guy who films this stuff. So, got my rope, got my saw, let's go. cut some limbs off as I go up to put the GoPro up. That's what I'm thinking.
Oh wait, hold on. I got something for you to try real quick. 1 second. Should we go give that to Uncle Brad? You wanna give that to Uncle Brad? Go give it to him. 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 This way.
Come on. Come on. Bring it here. Come on. Huh? We have dog slobber. That's what we have. All right. We have. What on earth? Oh, we have a chain saw with handles on it. And then it's like almost like a chainsaw chain. And you unwind it like that thing bites. Okay, we gotta get that out of the way. Ouch. Woo! There's no question whether it's got sharp points on it. We just unwind it. Unwind it. And that's probably far enough. We have these handles that we can hang on to. And then you put the saw over the limb and stuff. And then you pull it back and forth. Like that. Up and down. Around this way. Maybe even up. So we're going to try this out and see. That is a human-driven chainsaw. Alright, so let's see. Alright. Wait on the GoPro here for a minute. And let's see what we got. I'm going to leave these stick out a little bit and put my feet on. It isn't too bad. Actually, it's fairly fast, but I'd rather one-hand it so I could hang on to the limb. And that's what I'm going to do. With my Fiskars, I can hang on to the limb with one hand and saw with the other hand. So if it's right over your head, it's not a real good idea. But if it was down somewhere on the ground, that probably wouldn't be too bad an idea. So let's just do this first. And this tree's green, so it's more like rubber. All right, get rid of the hat. All these little limbs sticking out there. You know what? I'm not real sure that's as good as the big Fiskars that I have.
Yep.
We might limit and maybe top it a little bit today, but when it comes to actually cutting it down, I don't know.
All right. GoPro and some tape. Oh, hold on. Let's change this to wide angle.
Up over the limb.
What are you gonna do?
Throw it over the limbs. Hang on to it and use it to pull myself up. Folks, this is all totally OSHA approved, so don't worry about it. No big deal. Not that time. Not where I wanted it either. Give me a second. That's what I want. That's what I want. But not through there. Let's see. Now we got the GoPro. I'll stick it in my back pocket. Take the tape. The things I don't do. You can toss this up to me.
All right.
Where'd the tape go? It fall?
Yes. Okay. Tape coming up at you.
Well, I'm up a tree. Life isn't going so good, and I'm kind of up a tree, so I got to work my way down. Chance Buell's yard, my videographer, wants this tree down. I said I'd help. I hope I don't pay for it. Man, I don't know. Right? Yeah.
Okay. Your saw. Nice. Okay.
Yeah.
Here, let me toss it down real quick. Okay. Let me go. We're having that issue again. Okay.
I probably touched something.
Right. Here we go. Okay, we got the GoPro happening right now. Okay, we got the GoPro coming up at you.
Right?
GoPro shooting. Yeah. That won't work. Let's try that again.
Right?
GoPro shooting. Yeah. There you go. Up there. Oh. That won't work. Let's try that again. Yeah, there it is. Okay, just point that lens straight down. Go.
Okay, pull that lens straight down. Cover anything but the lens. Takes all the fun out of it. Cover anything but the lens. Alright, let's see. What I really need is only 6 feet of rope instead of 56 feet of rope. Or some way. The wedge might. There goes GoPro. Alright.
Okay, GoPro. Try number 3.
Yeah.
Okay, it is recording live. We're just gonna come up at you. Ready? Okay. Nice snag.
There goes GoPro. Alright,
Okay. And it's off. Okay, it's starting to show some hit signs. Let's see if it's still. We got some recording happening, so we still got some life.
Yeah?
Yeah. Let me come up the ladder a little bit this time too. Yeah, and see that. All right. All right. So what have you done? What's your strategy?
Well, my strategy right now is not to fall out of the tree. That's probably the most important thing. Gonna cut off, gotta get the rope on part of the tree up here, saw off some of these limbs, and then saw it off, let it come down onto the rope, let it down, and then do it again. So I think this limb right here has got to go first. So we notch the bottom so that when I saw through the top, it actually just breaks off. But you don't want to saw through too far because it'll pinch the saw. And down she comes, right straight down. All right, we get a little bit of this, a little bit of that, a little bit of that. And down she comes, right straight down. All right, we get a little bit of this, a little bit of that, a little bit of that. Then we tie it off up here and saw it off and let her fall. GoPro and all. This is going to take just a little bit to get it sawed off because it's very awkward and the tree is moving. And it's not a terrific saw. This is not the Fiskar saw that I would buy. Okay, that little orange and black handled one, bear that in mind. This probably isn't the Fiskar saw that I would buy if I really wanted a saw like this that I could use. It's going to take a long time.
Yeah.
Got blocked there. Hey, what's that limb? That's actually a lot of tree down there. This is Brad, sharpensbest.com, off on another little adventure, the goofy things I don't do. Well, we just as well cut this one off. Come in from the bottom first. Oh, yeah. Whew. I am sweating. Actually, we're going to cut this off. You going to have bar stools or do you want to sit down? I'm going to make a table out of this. I don't know, maybe we cut it off here and then decide later how short you want it. We cut it off right about here. Let's try this one again just for a minute and see what we get out of it. Something like that. All right, let's see. No idea how this is going to work with one guy.
Wow.
It's not.
All right, here. Stand over there. Give me one side here. Let's make it more flat like a saw. All right.
Well, it's actually pulling some shavings out.
Stand more. That side over there. Let's do a circle around this thing.
Yeah, we gotta make sure it falls that way. Right now we're aiming right at the house.
Okay.
Yeah, don't keep creeping around.
Yeah, let's start creeping away more.
Well, the saw's hot. You'll need to apply just a little pressure, not too much yet, but a little. Let me see where we're at. Right there. Okay, so I'm pushing a little on it.
You're going down.
Yeah.
That'll happen right now. Ready? I'll let you do this. Good boy. Safety first. Safety first. Move along. Move along.
One little tiny.
Just snap her and push her.
I don't know. About 3/8 of an inch. This is Brad, sharpensbest.com. I've done easier things. I know, stupid stuff I do. Anyways, this is Brad, sharpensbest.com. Take care. Catch you later.